This is our Tater Tot taco bowl. Y'all, when you dig in, you're going to be so surprised because them tater tots are going to bring this to a whole new level. Today we're going to be making tater tot taco bowls, and I have got my oven preheated to 450 degrees, and I'm putting tater tots on my sheet pan. Okay, we're going to go ahead and put them in our preheated oven for about 15 to 20 minutes. You can use your air fryer if you want to. Now we're going to cook a pound of a hamburger, and I have 85/15. You can use whatever you have. We're going to cook us a pound of hamburger. We're going to go ahead and just break it up. I just like using my hands. Just think it works better. And I'd say about 1/4 of a cup of diced onion. Now we're going to take and put in 1 package of just your favorite taco seasoning. I like mild, and so that's what we're putting in. And I just bought the Walmart brand taco seasoning. And my meat is lean enough, it does not need to be drained. But if your hamburger has grease in it, you can drain it. Now we're going to put in about 1/4 of a cup of water. Just pour it right in. I'm going to take it off the heat, and I'm just going to stir it real good. Okay, now we are going to take and we're going to put in 1 can of the southwestern corn, and I have already drained it. Now we're going to put in 1 can of refried beans. This makes a lot, and you can freeze this or save it and use it as a dip if you like, but we are making taco bowls. Tater tot taco bowls. And I'm doing this away from the stove because I want to go ahead and get it stirred in really good before I put it back on the stove to cook. And we're going to put it on kind of a low heat. They're called tostita bowls, but I call them taco bowls. Me and my mother-in-law, I was very young, first married, and she had Tina, which is my sister-in-law, and I just had a baby. So Tina was 3 and my son was a newborn. Every Friday we went to the mall and we got us a taco salad every Friday, and that was all the money I had. We shopped, we window shopped, but we had a really fun time, and I miss those days. And every time I get a taco bowl, I think of those days. The older you get, the more memories you have with just the simplest things. So I have 4 taco bowls, and we're going to put them in the oven. We're going to sprinkle them with cheese, and we're going to put them in the oven in a few minutes. We're going to wait for our tater tots, but we're going to make up our condiments now. But I just want to go ahead and get these prepped and ready to go in the oven, because these and the tater tots are the star of the show. It's so good when you put it all together. Okay, we just have some shredded lettuce that I got at the grocery store. You can shred your own, but I just found that this was easy this week. I had to work yesterday, and I've been a little under the weather, so I just figured I would go ahead and get it. It's already washed and cleaned, and just get it ready as quickly as possible. Okay, I have some little bit of pico, what is it called? Pico de gallo. I think I said it right. If not, it's fresh salsa. That's what I call it. And I'm just going to put some of this in a little bowl. We won't eat it all, but I don't know, it does make those tacos taste so fresh. Okay, now I have some guacamole that I see my husband already got into, but that's okay. I have some jalapenos here, and these are not chopped up. These are just regular sliced jalapenos. I'm gonna put a few right in the bowl. I have a few black olives here. I actually freeze these when I open a can, little can, big can, and I have froze them and let them thaw out, and they are great. And I'm gonna set them right here on our little tray. I have some sour cream here. We're just gonna put it in a little bowl. We'll start prepping our taco bowls for the oven. Okay, we're just gonna start. We're just gonna put some cheese right on the bottom, and these will melt up. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna check on our tater tots because that's all we're waiting on. This is how quick and easy this is. This is a great, you can prep this on a Sunday night and have it on a Monday night. Simple and easy. We're gonna go ahead and put our taco bowls in the oven. Ooh, look at our tater tots. So we're gonna put them back in for like 5 minutes, and then we get really good and brown and crispy. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and pour our taco meat right in our bowl. Now, I am not a fan of creamy cheese. I very rarely, maybe on nachos, I like it. But what we're going to do is we're just going to put a little bit of cheese in this dip. I would say probably about 1.5 cups to 2 cups. And then we're going to stir it up, and that will be like a creamy cheese to me. But I'm not a fan of creamy cheese, so I just add shredded cheese, and it'll get good and hot inside of these beans. And then you've got that layer on the bottom. So to me, that is a great substitute. This is amazing. Look at the string. Look how it pulls. You got something that good, you don't need creamy cheese, but if you like it, you can definitely use it. Cooking it all together instead of using a different pot for each, it's going to go in the same bowl anyway. It just makes a delicious, delicious taco bowl. Okay, we have these are our taco bowls. Look at the cheese inside. Oh. And everything was cooked in the oven at 450 degrees. So that's why our cheese melted, and I put quite a bit in there, and it's creamy. Now I'm going to put some of these. Ooh, they're hot. Look how crispy they are. Oh my goodness. I'm going to put some of these right in our bowl on this cheese. Our hamburger and corn and refried beans. We're going to put those right there. Okay, we're going to take a little bit of shredded lettuce. A little bit of guacamole. A little bit of sour cream. Little pico de gallo. A few little black olive. And some jalapeno. This is our tater tot taco bowl. Y'all, when you dig in, you're going to be so surprised because them tater tots are going to bring this to a whole new level. Look at that. Does that not look gorgeous? And it's warm. And we're going to put it right in this bowl right here, and we're going to eat it. Now, what I'm going to put on mine is this Cholula cremosa sauce. Oh my gosh, it's called cilantro lime, and I love cilantro. So we're just going to pop this right on top, and I'm ready to eat. This took us no time at all. I got to get a tater tot in there. I'm excited. Gosh, you're going to love this. Crispy tater tot on the bottom of these taco bowls will blow you away. You're going to be so shocked by the flavor and the taste that it gives these taco bowls. You're just going to be blown away. I just want to say thank you for all those sweet comments that you share with me, all your stories, your life. Thank you. You guys are awesome. Got to make this dish. I'm not joking, guys. Please make it. You're going to love it. You guys go. Have a wonderful, wonderful day.